Hello guys, this is Jerry. In this video we're gonna have a quick look at this MG ZST Vibe. So this particular vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter petrol engine with CVT transmission. So it shares the same body frame and body panels compared to all the other MG ZST on the yard. And in New Zealand currently this vehicle's retail price is $29,990 Driveaway. That includes everything, registration, warranty fitness, everything. So very good price, plus 7-year warranty. By the way, if you're looking to purchase one of these in New Zealand, you can contact us at abitpetrol.co.nz. I will leave a link down below in the description. And if you're looking to purchase one from me, my name is Jerry. You can contact me at jerry@abitpetrol.co.nz. That's my email address. I'll leave all my contact details down below in the description as well. So overall, the vehicle is a small to medium-sized compact SUV. So the size, it looks very similar to let's say a Mitsubishi ASX or Nissan Juke in terms of comparison. As standard at the front, we get the MG logo plus the black grille, a fog lights at the bottom and full LED lights at the top with the daytime running. On the side, we have 17-inch alloys plus Michelin tires, so a nice machine finish alloys. And you also notice this module over here, that's your camera. So we have, as standard, we have 360 view camera. On the side, we have the plastic sort of keyless entry and push button start. At the back, you find the same LED tail lights. By the way, we ran out of T logos for the back, so this is ZS at the moment, but in New Zealand we call this ZST. Now, no difference whatsoever. We also have rear parking sensors at the back, plus the fake exhaust at the back. Just the decoration, basically. Alright, let's get into the vehicle. So as standard, we're getting a synthetic leather seats on this vehicle and with red stitchings at the back. So this is how the cabin looks like. It's definitely a spacious vehicle for a small compact size like this. In comparison, you find this vehicle much larger vehicle compared to the Kia Stonic, for example, in terms of rear space and cargo space at the back. Again, synthetic leather, so it's very soft. You can feel the like this, and we have the charging port at the back for USB-A's. Tailgate opens from the MG logo, so if you press the logo, that opens up just like this. Now you have a good space overall, but look at this floor. We can now lift this up, get the spare wheel jack and tools. You can also drop this down, by the way. We do get some truck noise on the side. Drop this down like this. There we go. We'll have a very deep storage space. Then you can also drop the seats, 40-60 split. At the back we get turning points for your baby seats. And manual tailgate. Just drop like this. And this is the driver's side. So manual seats again. So the display at the front. Right, that's working. So as standard, we have the MG steering. So this is the same steering you find on the MG ZS, ZST, and even the ZS EV. And a traditional analog dial plus the digital screen in the center. So let's switch this on. Push button is just over here. Let's mute that screen. Alright, now we have a digital screen in the center. So that shows you, for example, lane keep assist, all the safety systems, plus the digital speedo and all your information. We also have tire pressure system, your battery voltage monitoring, and your information for your tread odometer and range empty. So all the information on there. On the right hand side we get the windscreen wiper. On the left hand side we get the auto lights plus indicator and at the bottom we're getting the adaptive cruise control. So there are a complete package on this vehicle for the MG Pilot, using this module at the front and a small module at the front bumper. So that allows us to have blind spot detection, rear traffic cross alert, pre-collision warning, emergency braking, the adaptive cruise control with traffic assist, and also we have lane keeping assist and lane departure warning. So that's all in this driving assistant package. Along with that, we also get a reverse camera plus 360 view camera and the rear parking sensor at the back. So you can also press this button, you can see the front. You can also have the 3D that goes around the vehicle. Cool. So that's how that works with the 360. Push back to park. We're going in. Apart from that, we also have things like navigation inbuilt. This is available on the Vibe, by the way. If you're looking for the same vehicle as a core, so you're losing the fabrics, you're losing the synthetic leather seats, you're losing the navigation and a few more cosmetic features here and there. And radio, obviously we get Bluetooth as standard. We also get Apple Carplay and Android Auto. So just connect your smartphone. We can have a quick look. So just allow. There we go. Now with the Apple Carplay is activated, so you get music, you get maps, display, you get all the information in one go. So you can Google Map. So the Apple CarPlay works. It's very smooth. And then press this button, that goes back to home screen, just like that. And in the center console, we get two USB charging plus the 12-volt socket and gear selector. So pretty simple. And handbrake plus auto hold assistance. So just a standard auto hold. Yeah, so that's pretty much all about the interior information. We can now go for a test drive to see how that goes. Alright, we're on the road. So in terms of specification, the vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter petrol engine, natural aspirate, that offers us 84 kilowatts in terms of the power output. And transmission wise, we have a CVT transmission, so it's continuously variable transmission. What's the good thing about CVT is there's no delay, there's no hesitation when you start driving the vehicle, and it's obviously quite smooth when you pick up. But obviously when you go uphill, you're going to put all the foot down on the accelerator. The vehicle does have that sort of a whining noise, and it just feels like the vehicle is trying to push its maximum power to the wheels. Again, it's not annoying if you're used to the CVT transmission. You're going to be more than happy with this vehicle. And visibility wise, it's very good, just like a standard MG ZS. This chassis, this body frame, the A-pillar here is very minimum blind spot. We get the large wing on the side, plus you get the safety technology anyway. So I don't have a problem with visibility on any of the MG vehicles. And the good thing in New Zealand is for this vehicle you are able to get 91 petrol, that being with with the high fuel prices these days, 91 is always a benefit compared to the turbo variant. And the sitting position is quite high, so it's like a medium-sized SUV in terms of the sitting position, and the seats are soft. I don't have a problem sitting on these seats at all. And the ride is definitely comfortable. So if you're comparing this vehicle to the standard MG ZST Side that's available in New Zealand, you're gonna find the suspension is much softer on the road compared to the other one, and definitely has a less noise. Not in the road we're driving. Unfortunately, this is quite rural area with a lot of country road with a little bit rough seal surface, everything. But you're gonna find this very soft and very pleasant on the road. Handling, this is not a sporty vehicle, but it's got enough characteristics for you to have fun. It's solid again on the road. What we kept saying as a salesperson to people is that MG is really good at building its chassis. It's, with $30,000 on the money, the chassis handles the road like it should cost a little bit more, basically. And you're getting this huge screen at the front, so that allows us to have access to a lot of information as well. This is definitely a modern display with how the layout, everything works compared to the standard ZST Side. But at the end of the day, you're obviously paying more, so that's something to weigh. We are going to go around the corner and we'll be able to get to a higher speed if you bear with us. Zone. So let's try a little bit of acceleration. At least you can hear the engine noise, everything. So we're on around 50 kilometers per hour. Actually, this is 80 zone, so they just reduced the. So you can see the acceleration is smooth. I don't feel anything going around the car or anything like that. There's obviously a little bit engine noise. Obviously, this is a small engine, so it does have to work on it. Not bad at all, not bad by any means. And if you do want to watch a full feature guide, I've also done a video in the past. You can just search that ZST Core ZST Vibe name in my video. Otherwise, I can always drop a link down below for you to check out. Down on the accelerator. It's smooth again. Being the CVT transmission, it's going to be very smooth. It doesn't have to downshift. There's no gear change, so acceleration is always quite smooth and easy. It doesn't give you that acceleration speed compared to a traditional automatic. But for people like driving around town, you really don't need that, do you? And the other way is CVT is actually much easier to maintain compared to other transmissions, so that's another benefit. Obviously, you can make the choice at the end of the day. that's the end of this test drive video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like the video. I hope this content helped you in some way. Remember, if you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing the channel. That will be really helpful for this channel. And if you're looking to buy this, make sure you contact us or contact me, or leave our contact details down below. And see you in the next one.